Alright, traffic was a little bit rougher this afternoon, right? Had a little bit of a blockage on 16, and then there was a train at the end of Gulfstream Road, right? So I had to go in through 95, right? But once that was settled, it took about an hour and 10 minutes to get home, right? But that's still weird, like I said, about what happened at the mall, right? I still, again, ate in under 20 minutes, like I said, usually around 20 minutes, right? Because all it is a little chicken and rice, right? Now, I'm trying to establish a little timeline for a reason, though, right? Not to get the girl in trouble, but to figure out what's going on, right? If I'm having amnesia, I need to know if it's related to my high blood pressure. Is it Rohypnol or what? I mean, there ain't a lot of things, there are substances that can really do that, right? Nope. Right. I don't know. Now, kind of got a little weird with Dr. Chu today, right? Because, like I said, right? She knows I was late, right? She said she would try to see me quickly, but it still went over an hour. Right? And I had to fill out the paperwork, but that takes, what, 15, 20 minutes, right? At the most. They do want you there like 30 minutes earlier, but the problem was I didn't know which of the three. See, that's a long complex, right? I went to the other two first, and then I had to drive down to where she was at, right? Right. So I was a little late, but actually I was dead on time. But it still would take 20 minutes or less to fill out the paperwork, maybe 10. So I got there at what, 1:45. Guess what I left? About 3:30. Damn. You see what I mean? About 3:30. And you're like, well, how did you learn that? Well, guess what? She gave me paperwork. Right. Right. Another thing, right? Now, if she's blacking me out, then that's a crime, right? While I'm seeing her, right? She better do that. Now, and see, I'm telling her some of the things, but like I said, if I'm telling her everything, right? Alright, and not some of the things, what's going on, right? The conversation should be longer, right? Right, than it was, too, right? Yet it seemed that also the hour itself fly by. To me, to you. Dr. Chu. What did you do? What did you do? Like Horton hears a hoot. I don't know what you would do. Could it be one or two? Probably one, because we have more fun. But I know you have a picture of a family, I guess, with 3 daughters. No sons. I don't know what that means. I don't know what that means. I didn't either. But see, part of the point I'm making about the high blood pressure and the heart is I can still get a wet dream when they're going. I can still have sex. But, doctor, you're right. But if you do have sex with your patient, you don't black him out over it either and hold him over an hour, right? That's a crime. That's the crime. It's like Dr. Huth, Bill Cosby, being that he was a doctor, right? You can't rohypnol your patient, right? Whatever the rohypnol is, right? So, whatever reason I don't remember it, right? it's still longer than I'm supposed to be around you too, right? So from the time I got there to the time I left is over an hour and a half, though, right? So it's like, what, 30 minutes to fill out the paperwork, and then still the hour, though you were trying to cut it short, too, right? Right. So why did it still go to the hour? And my memory, like I said, is kind of scattered around you, right? I'm not saying nothing. But I'm not saying that. But that I did notice the time difference when I got out, right? You don't notice it until you what? Get out of the appointment. Right. What time it really is. Like the song says, does anybody really know what time it is, right? I know what time I got there. I know we were talking about my disability, my heart, blood pressure, and all that, right? But like I said, you can't challenge a patient in the sex and then block him out because you know you're a doctor. You're not supposed to have sex with your patient, right? That's unprofessional of you, not the patient. If you block him out over it. Now, I can agree, okay, to prove to you we could have sex, but you would have to do that as a little experiment, as part of the scientific method, right? Now, what that means is to find out if what I'm saying is true or not, right? And if I can have sex or not, we have to have sex in your office where no one can hear us. Did they hear you? They heard her. They heard her. And she's tricking me then, right? She's doing something to mess with me, right? For I don't remember what all happened, right? And whatever she's doing, it's not having the desired effect on me either, right? You understand, right? But whatever. I'm not mad about it. It is the whole point. You'll see. If I have any more proof, I'll show you later. Not right now. Let's not worry about it.